there's a much larger conversation around then creating relationships, um, and like polarity and how do you keep attraction. And the two things I want to say about that for once you enter a relationship is that the two things I've seen for me and for other people really work is this idea that a relationship isn't about getting, it's about giving. So if I really approach a relationship about what do I want to give this person, and then at the same times, I'm continually always in my life having great standards and boundaries, then like that can't really go wrong. And then the second thing I would say is in relationships is I still need to keep those lists in mind and I still have to keep my standards there. So like for instance, I think about relationships a little bit like not like a job, but like I'm like continually trying to make that person feel good. And then that has always worked really well instead of being like, I need it to be all these things for me. So making it about the other has been helpful. Super. Look at me on time. Look at me on time. Good. Tell me all your ahas in the chat. The lists. Yeah, I agree. Amazing. You're amazing. You deserve to have beauty in every part of your life. Um, Super excited to see how this turns out for everyone. And I hope you have an amazing weekend. Yeah, look at all those ahas.